uh, hello YouTube or whatever, something like that. The basic tutorial on Photoshop on using the pen tool and being able to use it in Cinema 4D. So what you're gonna do is go to File, New, and then whatever size. I'm just gonna do standard YouTube HD dimensions. Make sure you have these changed pixels, so pixels and 1020, 80 by 720, and put the resolution to pixels inch and 72. Hit OK, and it will make it. You see down here has 66.67, so it's not zoomed in all the way. If you hit the what's called magnifying glass, the actual pixels, and it will zoom in all the way. Now if you click on the pen tool, that's right here. Now just you can make anything. So say I made like the type of squiggle like this, and then if I drag it. So what you're gonna do, I'm just gonna leave this path. What you're gonna do is you're gonna click and click at another point, and then you can drag your mouse whatever way and do that. And then if you click it again and drag it, it'll make another click. What you can do is like you can make it say the 2D, or I don't know what do you call that? Just put more into it. So there. So looking S for the. Alright, now what you're gonna do is I'm just gonna go into File, go into Export Paths to Illustrator, and then once you do that, work path, so like that'd be what you're after doing there. Hit OK, and just search for wherever. You could just do on desktop. I don't know. Oh, I have to get this computer today. So desktop. On the desktop, and then just basically save it and name it. What you're gonna do is you're gonna name it, say S. Okay. Hit save. Now save that. Now if you look on your desktop, you have S. Now that comes up as AOI because we have Adobe Illustrator. Now if you go and open up some 4D, not exactly go into Cinema 4D, start opening this. Whatever time it takes to open up Cinema 4D, and I'll show you how to put it in Cinema 4D. Anytime now. What I'm going to do here actually now is I'm going to pause this and come back to you when Cinema 4D opens. So right, now I am back. Cinema 4D is open, and right, what you're going to do is go here. Oh wait, go here, hit the File. Oh yeah, this also works for Cinema 4D or 12. I'm pretty sure any version of Cinema 4D. So whatever version I have, just hit Open, Control and O, and look for wherever you saved it to. So desktop, yeah, the very desktop, and look for the whatever where you saved it. Hit Open. And then here you have like connect splines. Depending on what you're gonna do, don't do anything with scale because it can be pretty big. Just leave connect splines alone. Say if you had what you do with this is here. If you had connect splines, what you'd want to do is if you were making say graffiti and you've loads of different parts, you'd untick connect splines. But here we just have one object, and you just don't need to unconnect splines. So hit OK, and there you can see we have the S. What I'm gonna do click on the spline here, go position, hit 0, position 0, and hit apply. So that just centers it. And let's zoom in here. Go click on your spline there, the S over here, and see this type of box with the box around it. Go into extrude nerves. Like, click on it and hold it and click extrude nerves. Now you see here we have this. I'm gonna click on the F or the S and drag it up onto the extrude nerves. Now you have a 3D object. So there you have that. Now there's different things you can do with this. See here we have this. Now you just have the extrude nerves, but you can open it and you have this spline. But all you need for this extrude nerves, and what you can do here is, see where it has 20. You can move that back more, say about 50 if you want. Also go to caps. Oh god. Hit fillet cap and hit fillet cap, and it gives this type of edge, different type of edge to it. And here you have steps. If you like click that, it'll give more steps, but mostly it'll give one step. I don't like the filler radius before. I would normally have 3, both of them to be 3, so it's not like too big, you know. And then yes, that's basically just the basic tutorial. That's basic tutorial on how to get Photoshop into Cinema 4D. And yeah, that's it really. So yeah, bye, comment, rate, and subscribe.